Let's talk about the multi-language feature in the UI Editor 2 tool. This feature allows your UI to support multiple languages, so users can switch between languages like English, Chinese, or any other language you define. There are two ways to add multiple languages. The first method is icon-based multi-language. Create separate folders for each language, for example 0001 for English, 0002 for Chinese. Each folder contains icons with the same names, but in different languages. When you switch languages, the system automatically loads the corresponding icons. The second method is text-based multi-language. Use string label or text scroll widgets with Unicode fonts. Each widget can store text in multiple languages. Switching languages updates the displayed text. I will demonstrate the first method. We need two pages, one for language selection and another for displaying the selected language. On the first page, there are 10 languages to choose from. Create one icon for each language, requiring 10 icons in total. They share the same address, and min display ID and max display ID should be the same, numbered sequentially. Add 10 variable buttons, one for each language. Their addresses should match the icons, and min display ID and max display ID should correspond to the ID of the language icon they control. Set ADJ step to 1. Set cyclical counting to loop. Add a button to navigate to the next page. Before editing the next page, assign IDs to the icons for different languages based on the ID order of the language icons from the previous page. We have 6 groups of content to display, with each group containing 10 images corresponding to the 10 languages. For example, if the language icon with ID 0 on the previous page is German, the first image in the first group should be in German. If ID 1 is Russian, the second image in the first group should be in Russian, and so on. After completing the numbering for the first group, proceed sequentially for the second group, starting again with German. After numbering, add 6 icons on the display page, each corresponding to a group of 10 images. All icons should share the same address as the previous page's icons. Set first icon and last icon to the first and 10th images in each group, respectively. Set min display ID to 0 and max display ID to 9. Add a return button to complete the setup. Let's build the project under the File menu. Run emulator to take a look at the demo effect. Observe the effect in our HMI display.